What's up, y'all? This the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke. That is me. I see I'm growing my beard back. Anyway, I am about to make some vanilla bean paste. Y'all know I do a lot of baking, and almost every cake has vanilla extract in it. And I like using vanilla bean paste. Well, vanilla bean paste is expensive. I think a little 2 ounce bottle costs maybe $8, $9, but you can make it yourself for cheaper. So you can get some Madagascar vanilla beans off of Amazon. I think I got like 50 vanilla beans for like $32 or whatever. So I'm about to show y'all how to make it. It's just 5 ingredients. And let me show y'all. I forgot where I got this recipe from because I've been making it for a while. Okay. So first thing I want to get your blender. Get your blender. Okay, in your blender, you want to put in 1 cup. Yep, 1 cup. All this is measured already. 1 cup of sugar. Okay, so put that 1 cup of sugar in there. Put that to the side. Right here. Right here, this is 20. Look at there. That is 20 vanilla beans. Okay, so get you some scissors. Cut them. Cut them up in there. And about, well, just cut them in there. Yeah, so they'll blend well. I'm just gonna cut them twice. The blender do the rest of it. So let me do it one more cut. So cut them in threes. Okay. All right. So we got those vanilla beans in there. Okay. Now, now you want to add you can add water or you can add um um imitation vanilla. So what I do is, let me find my right here. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of imitation vanilla. Like I said, or you can use water, but I want a potent vanilla flavor, so I'm going to use a little of this artificial vanilla extract. Just 2 tablespoons. That's one, and that's two. Okay? Like I said, or you can use water. Now, after that, what I'm missing, I got the sugar, I got the beans, I got the vanilla extract, the imitation vanilla extract. Oh, let's add corn syrup. So we're going to add 1/4 cup of corn syrup. And you need this corn syrup in here. It's going to thicken it into a paste. And also you use this light corn syrup because it's going to help that sugar to not crystallize after it's mixed. Okay, so one. Okay, and lastly, you need to add some clear vodka or some clear rum, either one, but it has to be clear. Um, yeah, you got to use vodka the same way if you was to use extract. So you have to use vodka. So we're gonna put 3/4 cups of vodka in here. So this is a 1/2 cup. That's 1/2, and so we got to add 1/4. 1/2 and 1/4 is 3/4 cups all day long. Okay. Okay, 1/4 cup. And that's it, y'all. So I'm going to blend this for about 2 minutes until all that sugar dissolves. I'm gonna blend it on high. So I'll put this on there and let's blend. All right, y'all. It's been about 2.5 minutes. Okay. Take the top off. Okay. Let me get my little spoon. Now, Let me get a little taste of it. See if all the sugar is dissolved. Mm, and it is. That's good. All right, get you a clean jar that you had soaking in hot water, and let's pour it in here. Now, you let this, you can use this in 2 weeks, but the longer the better. So I let mine go for about 2 months. Because right now you put it in any of your cakes or anything, you're gonna taste a lot of that vodka. And you don't want that. Okay, so let's pour that in there. And we're gonna, okay, let me see. Let me test with my finger, see how close I am to the rim. Oh, there's some more can go in there. I think it'll fill this whole jar if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, it makes what this is this is a quarter pint. This is a pint jar. So it made 2 cups. Okay. 8 ounces. No, 16 ounces. 16 ounces. Okay. So there go your vanilla bean paste. Now it's going to thicken as it's set. So like I said, I'm gonna have this in the jar right here and I'm going to let it set for like 2 months. And I have vanilla bean paste. And that is how you make it, y'all. And when you make your cakes, you can use a 1-to-1 ratio. So you're going to use 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You just put 1 tablespoon of vanilla bean paste. You use 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You use 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. So you did it yourself. It's all natural. It's all good. And it tastes better in your pound cakes. All right. Till next time, y'all. Bye. All right. There you go, y'all. You can put the top on it. And you can store this room temperature for like a year. Okay, it's shelf stable. All right, there go your vanilla bean paste.